Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Geo English Academy channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Nina.
Hello, Nina. Hi, everyone. How are you all today?
I hope you are happy and ready to learn some English.
Yes, I am a little sleepy today, but excited too.
That's okay, Nero. Sometimes we feel sleepy, but learning English is always fun.
Very true. So, what is today's topic, Nina?
Today, we will learn how to ask good questions in English.
Oh, wow, that's great. Asking questions is very important.
Yes, if you ask good questions, you can learn more, make friends, and understand everything better.
I think I ask questions, but maybe not always good ones.
Don't worry, we will practice together, and it will be fun. First, let's talk about easy, everyday questions you can ask. These are very useful for beginners.
Okay, like asking for directions?
Yes, for example, you can say, "Where is the bus station? What time is the class? How much is this?"
Oh, yes, I like the last one. How much is this is my favorite.
That's agreed. Very important if you want to buy something.
But sometimes I don't know the word for something. Then what?
Then you can ask, "Can you show me? What is this called?"
Ah, that's very helpful. I always say this thing, and people look at me funny.
Yes, Nero. This thing is not clear, so better to ask, "What is this called?"
Okay, I will try. What is this called?
Another important group of questions is for conversation and curiosity.
Oh, like when we talk with friends?
Exactly. For example, "Why do you like this? What do you mean? Can you explain more? How does it work?"
Oh, wow. These are very useful. Sometimes I don't understand people. Now I know what to say.
Yes, and it's polite too. Asking questions shows interest.
I like that.
Let's practice together with some examples. I will say a situation and you make a question.
Okay, I will try.
You see a restaurant. You don't know the menu. What do you ask?
What is this dish?
Perfect. Or you can say, "Can you recommend something?"
Oh, that's good too. I like that.
Another one. You meet a new person. You want to know about them. What do you ask?
What is your name?
Yes, that's the first one. And then you can ask, "Where are you from? What do you like to do?"
I see. Small questions, but very useful.
Now, let's mix daily life plus curiosity questions.
Oh, like when I want to know more about food?
Yes, for example, what is your favorite food? Why do you like it? How do you eat it?
I like this topic. Everyone loves food.
True, and you can use the same pattern for anything, like movies, books, or hobbies.
Okay, I got it. First ask what, then why, and then how, or can you explain?
Exactly. That's the pattern for good questions. Let me teach you some small words that make your questions polite.
Oh, yes, please. I don't want to be rude.
Use words like, "Can you?" "Could you?" "Would you?"
Can you help me?
Perfect. And "Could you explain this?" Sounds very polite too.
Oh, wow. I like that. I can ask everything politely now.
Another tip, use who, what, where, when, why, how to make your questions strong.
Ah, yes, I know some of these.
Let's repeat together. Who, what, where, when, why, how.
Who, what, where, when, why, how.
Very good. These are called question words, and they are the most important for English beginners.
I need to practice more.
Yes, and you can combine them with can, could, would. Like, where can I find a taxi? Why could you not come yesterday? How would you do this?
Oh wow, so many options. But I understand now.
Now, let me tell you a funny story from my life.
Oh, I love stories.
One time, I was in a new city, and I wanted to know where the library is. I asked a man, "Where is the library?"
Okay, normal question.
Yes, but he didn't understand me. I said it slowly, again and again. Then I said, "Can you show me the library on your phone?"
Oh wow, that is funny.
Yes, and finally he showed me. I learned that sometimes small words like "can you" help a lot.
So polite questions are more clear. I see.
Now, let's do one more example. Imagine you are in a class and you don't understand something. What question do you ask?
I don't understand. Can you explain?
Perfect. Or you can say, "Could you say that again?"
Ah, yes, very useful in class.
Exactly. And don't be shy. Asking questions helps you learn fast.
I agree. I will ask more questions from now.
Now, let's recap what we learned today. 1. Ask simple questions for everyday life, like where is, what time, how much. 2. Ask curiosity questions. Why, how, can you explain? 3. Use polite words. Can you, could you, would you? 4. Use question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how. 5. Practice in real situations and don't be afraid to ask.
Very clear. I feel ready to ask good questions now.
And now it's your turn.
Yes. Viewers, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite question to ask in English?
Or you can write a funny or interesting question you asked recently.
We will read your answers and maybe laugh together.
Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Geo English Academy channel.
Yes, and click the bell icon so you never miss our lessons.
Keep practicing your questions, and we will see you next time.
Bye everyone. Keep asking questions.
Bye! Have a great day and happy learning.